everybody. Let's sit down and unpack it. It is time to open my new toy. Ultimate Fire Truck, it says. And then look at this. One pup will sit over here. Press this yellow button to launch out one of these. And then this pup sits in here and put out the small fire. But this one can go tall. It can reach half taller, and then it will shoot out with the yellow. And you turn it around, and then one of these, three of these will launch somewhere. But you can't lose it. Let's unpack and have help from our daddy. Then my daddy will come over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here, and over nowhere else. So that's it. Let's open the sink. Let's use my muscles. Muscles. I can't do it. I need some help from my daddy. Let's twist these. Got to twist it and put it out. I removed all of the screws, and now let's take out this. Instructions, let's read this first. We got this. Stickers! We use the stickers. Then dun 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 dun. Is that okay? Stick out that. I will need some help from my daddy again.
Okay.
And then look at. A little help from my daddy. These are called water. You put one water in here, two more waters, and then one more in the back. And then look it. This pup goes inside. Okay, inside here. But you can open it too. Open this lid. There's two seats for one pup and another pup. Then how you close? How do you lift it up? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. You lift it up, and then there's fire. 1, 2, or 3. Here's the fire back. 1. Let's go. The fire's on. Let's lift the ladder. There's two pieces, but we have to remove. The front one, which is Marshall sitting, and then this one. Then we'll just remove this off. Over here. Oh no. Got it. But something else is happening. I'll show you how to close it over here. Do that, do that, do that, do that. And then it's closed. Now it's ready to run. But when there's another fire too high, we use Marshall's the ladder. Now it's time to put on the stickers. Here it is. This gray part, these, and these, and I'll put it and show it to you. Let's open it, and then I'll show you where to put it. Look at this one. This one goes here. This one goes here. And then this one goes here. And then this one goes here. Then this one goes here. Now there's four more stickers we have to put. This one, these two goes here and here. And these two goes here and here. We put it and show it to you. Here. And good. I will rotate it and show it to you. Ta-da! Let me show it to you all the stickers. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And this one, and this one. The hose, keep the hose. Look at the it attached is here. You put this out. You put it like this, and then you roll it like this. Here is a fire claw. When somebody's high and we can't reach it, a puck goes controls the fire claw and open it the fire claw and pick and then get the people who's in trouble. I hope you all enjoy my video